two isosceles triangles whose vertical angles are equal are placed so as to have their vertices coincident, and they're telling what they mean by the vertex of an isosceles triangle. Prove that the two lines prove that two of the lines joining their angular points are equal. Yeah, so I'll just explain the diagram which I drew here. So we need two isosceles triangles, so which have equal vertical angles. So the first one is ABC, this one ABC, and the second one is AED. So you can see that they both are isosceles, which I drew by the two straight lines. They're in blue, the darker blue, and the second in ABC it's single striped, and in that is ADE it's double striped. So what we basically have to prove is that I'll get my pen on. Yeah, so we have to prove EC equals to BD. So why that's basically what the question says, joining the two other angular points. The A is the vertical point, so angular points will be the ones which are not the vertical points. So it's EC and BD. So it's not really that hard of a question. So we can see that AE equals to AD. Use black pen. AE equals to AD. I mean, that's a given thing. And the second thing we see is that AC equals to AB. That's also given. Yes, so we somehow have to prove congruency. If we somehow prove that ACE and ABD are congruent, then we can, by CPCT, we can prove that EC equals to BD. So one thing we notice is that the vertical angles are equal. So in other words, one second. Damn it. Yeah, so angle uh, DAE equals to angle BAC. BAC. All right. So, but you see that they have a common part in between them, which is DAC. So we'll try to remove it from both the sides. So I'll write it as DAE can be written as angle CAE plus DAC which we can equate to over here, which will be BAD BAD plus, I'll just write it down, BAD over here, and then the second part will be so angle DAC, which is over here too. So we can cancel DAC from both the sides, and angle CAE equals to angle BAD. So we have a few things. Angle CAE equals to angle BAD. Yeah, so this angle is equal to this angle. This pen's ugly, but I don't have any other pens right now. So Angle, yeah, these two angles are equal, and these few sides are equal. AE equals to AD and AC equals to AB. So we can simply prove it by SAS criterion. Uh, that angle ACE, I mean triangle, triangle ACE is congruent to ACE, so ABD, I think so. AB, yeah, ABD. Yeah, by which criterion? SAS, because yeah, SAS, because two sides and the angle in between. AE and AD are the two sides, and AC equals to AB is the second side. Sorry, that's the first one, and this is the angle in between.